Now let's take a look at the Dibbles Daze. The scoring rules for Daze are as follows. Rule 1. A response is correct if the student circled or otherwise marked the correct word. Rule 2. Mark a slash for any incorrect response. And Rule 3. If the student's final response is obvious, score the item based on the response. Directions for the Dibble Daze are found in the Daze Administration and Directions scoring key. Please print off all student material. The Daze is a 3-minute progress monitoring and it is a silent read. Here's an example of a completed student's work. Remember, we are only going to mark the answers that are incorrect, and there is a key provided for teachers. So let's start. We have a correct answer, but our third answer here is incorrect. We are going to mark a slash through it. The next answer is correct. The next block has 2 words circled, even if one of the words is correct. Because 2 words are circled, the answer is marked incorrect. The next box follows under rule number 3. It is obvious that the student implies that few is the correct answer, so this is a correct answer. Friends is incorrect. And as we go through, if it is checked or circled, or there is an indication that the student implies the correct answer, then you mark it correct. If it is incorrect, you put a line through it. Now let's count the incorrect answers from the student. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 incorrect answers. I would mark that number right to the side so you can keep track of it. Now count the correct responses. In this particular work, there are 36 correct responses. You will need this information to transfer so you can total the score. Here's the final piece to scoring the Daze. This is part of the student material that you will need to print off, and scoring can be found in Chapter 10 of the Dibbles Manual. If you look in Chapter 10, you will find this formula. This is a mathematical equation. I would suggest you do it this way. Let's take the number that we had incorrect, which was 8. If we divide that by 2, we get 4. The number of correct responses was 36. Then we are subtracting 36 minus 4, which gives us our score of 32.